Hello friends, in this video, I'll show you how to create a talking animated avatar like mine using free AI tools. You can use these tools to make any Desire character you want. Did you know that channels with animated AI avatars are gaining huge popularity on YouTube and other platforms right now? For example, the channel AI Guy went from 0 to 75k subscribers in just using an avatar. Also, Digital Income Project channel also grew from 0 to 100k subscribers in 6 months. And this channel earned over $10,000 each month from these digital AI avatars. So without further ado, let's dive into the creative process. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more content like this. First, you need to go to Leonardo AI and login. Then click on Image Generation and paste this prompt. You will find this prompt in the description. You can make changes in the prompt according to the character you want to create. Let me create my character. I will do some change in the prompt and click Generate until I like the character. I like this character, so I will upscale the image and download it. Then you need to come to Adobe Firefly website and click on this generative fill. Now upload the image which you have generated here. Now you can add or remove elements from this picture just with text. Suppose I want to add a coffee mug, so I will just mark the position and in text will write coffee mug. As you can see, it has add a coffee mug. I also want to add a mic, so I just need to select the position and write the text, and it will add mic in the picture. You can use according to your requirement. Now you need to come to Artflow AI website and log in here, and click on Video Studio, and click on Create a Video from Scratch. Then click on Upload and add your image here. After uploading your image, click on the image to add it. Then upload your voice over here and done. Now click on Export and Animate. Add a name for the file and click on Export Video. After a few minutes, your character will be generated and you can download it and use it in any video you want. Now, you can easily make your own AI character. You can find all prompts and link in the description. If you watch till here, then like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you next time.